I'm 3 shots deep in this whiskey needle.
Hi guys, good morning. So today it's a Sunday and it's March 30. Time check, it's currently 11 to 8 a.m. Me and my boyfriend were on our way to the church. So actually late na kami, 11:45 yung mass. Right after church, our plan is to go to Jersey Garden Mall to get some stuff. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Sabi mo, 40 days video.
Ayoko na.
Tama.
Dapat ka-pair niya. Kasi yung sa akin ka-pair nito.
Isang oras na siya doon. Tapos bago tayo dumating, magpapayad na. Tapos diretso kami Nike, pumunta ka na doon.
Kape pa more.
Oras na lang.
Sometimes they give you a birthday discount. That's it. And it's gonna be just these two.
Ewan ba? Maganda naman eh.
Anong bag yan?
Magkama, nag-workout na siya.
Finally, I'm so tired. Sakit na ng likod at pako.
Cherries, the rain. Ooh, cherries, the rain. Cherries, cherries, the rain, the rain.
Hi guys! So today is my flight.
Departure day.
It's April 5th and it's currently 5:31. It's a Saturday afternoon and it's a rainy Saturday. On our way sa bahay ng tita niya because doon na kami mag-aantay until 8 p.m.
Because it's his uncle's birthday.
Yes, birthday ni Tito Danny. So doon na kami magdi-dinner and then around 8 p.m. we're gonna go ahead sa New York JFK International Airport kasi 10 p.m. yung check-in ko.
Saan
So,
banda yun?
basta sa dyan lang.
Paano nila malalaman?
Basta dun lang, dyan lang. So anyways, we're here. Makikikain lang kami. I'm so gutom na. Here's Ella, my friend. Hi! I'm gonna miss you.
Kanina pa.
Hindi ako iiyak. Bye to Danny!
Scammer din. Mga isda. Ay, ano yan? Ha?
Hi guys! So we're finally on the way to the airport. And, ayun, we're 17 minutes away. Hindi din lang. But yeah, I'm with my boyfriend. Joke lang. Katatapos lang namin makipag-birthday or makipag-birthday. Dinner lang kami. Sobrang bilis ng oras. Parang nagkwentuhan lang kami ni Ella and nag-catch up. Tapos pag-check ko, ano na, 8 p.m. na. bala ko pa nga sanang magpangalawang round ng dinner. Kaso, take out na lang ako ng spaghetti and then turon. We're still looking for parking. Nandito na kami sa parking lot. Oh! Yes! Medyo malapit. Sure kang hindi to PWD. Okay, we're here.
Met you on a Sunday, wind blowing in my face, heading for true love. I lace at the pace. We walked into the future, holding hands we embraced. In the thrill of the moment, we live for the chase. This love is taking control.
Haba ng
Iyak na to. Pagka medyo
Bye-bye.
You absolutely get me, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's been about a year now. Can't tell you how I feel now. But whenever you heading for true love, I lace at the pace. We walked into the future, holding hands we embraced. In the thrill of the moment, we live for the chase. This love is taking control of me, but I let it, I absolutely let it. And you get me, you absolutely get me. And I love it, I absolutely love it.
Uy, grabe, totoo pala talagang, init.
Jagger pants ka ba? Sabi ko, magpapagod pagdating mo ng
Giver daw.
I'm yours until the last hour. To have and to hold, I promise not to cower.
Ano na tayo? Manila na nga talaga. Medyo traffic.